This video explains how to buy shares of Proteome Sciences Plc, a UK proteomics company focused on protein biomarker discovery and diagnostics. It trades on the LSE PLC under the ticker PRM.L, and this is an educational guide only, not financial advice. Please research risks before investing. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with a valid identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PRM.L to find Proteome Sciences Plc. Make sure you select the listing that matches the LSE PLC ticker to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to understand recent price movement. Confirm the company name and PRM.ticker to ensure this is the correct equity. To place an order, choose Buy or Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review all order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For the example link used in this walkthrough, see the description below.